Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Lee Myles Auto Care and Transmissions channel. Last week we had a little Halloween fun with our spooky story, A Tale of the Brake That Cried. If you missed it, go check it out. It's definitely a good one. This week we're switching gears and tackling one of the most common questions we get from drivers. What exactly is a courtesy check, and what does it include? To break it all down, we've got Brad here to walk us through everything you need to know about our free courtesy checks, including what's covered, why it matters, and how it can help you avoid costly repairs down the road. Let's jump right in.
So what exactly is a courtesy check? I hear the term a lot, but I'm not really sure what it means.
Good question. A courtesy check is basically a free multi-point inspection of your vehicle. It's a quick, professional look to make sure everything on your vehicle is running the way it's supposed to, before little-known issues become much bigger.
So it's not like a sales pitch or anything?
Not at all. At Lee Myles Auto Care and Transmission, a courtesy check is truly free. No strings attached. We just believe that every driver deserves to know exactly what's going on under their hood without any pressure or surprises.
All right, so what's exactly included in a courtesy check?
A lot, actually. We start with a check engine light scan. That's a big one. If your check engine light is on, we use different diagnostic equipment to verify which system on your car is causing the issue. Then we continue with a fluid check, checking fluids such as your transmission fluid, engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, and power steering fluid. We look at levels, color of the fluid, and overall condition to see the health of those fluids on your car. Then we continue on with testing the battery on your vehicle to make sure it's holding a proper charge. That's especially important getting into the winter months where batteries can be troublesome. Next, we'll look over your brakes and tires to check the thickness of your brake pads, the tread depth on your tires, the pressure of your tires, and also the overall safety of those entire systems. We also check the belts and hoses on the vehicle to check them for wear, maybe cracking, fraying, and we continue on with the rest of the vehicle, looking at any type of loose components in your steering suspension system or any leaks on the underside of the vehicle.
That sounds like a lot for something that's free. Why do you do it?
Because most breakdowns don't occur overnight. They start kind of small. Maybe a slow leak, a weak battery, or a low fluid level on your car. Catching things early during a courtesy check can save you hundreds of thousands of dollars in repair if you have to deal with it later on. Think of it like a wellness visit for your car. It's easier and cheaper to prevent problems rather than waiting for them to snowball into bigger issues.
How long does it take? I'm usually on a tight schedule.
Totally understand. Most courtesy checks will take a little under 1 hour to perform. You can wait in our lobby, maybe grab a coffee, and we'll walk you through your vehicle health report when we're all done.
And what happens if you find something wrong? Do I have to get it fixed right away?
Nope, you'll get a detailed report going over what's great on the vehicle, things that may be coming up that are going to need your attention, and anything that needs your immediate attention today during the courtesy check process. What you decide to do next is completely up to you. There's no obligation.
Does the courtesy check include a look at my transmission?
Absolutely. During the courtesy check process, we check your transmission fluid level, look over for any leaks. And did you know Lee Myles is also a transmission specialist? So during our road test part of the courtesy check, we'll take any notations for any shifts that might not feel too healthy.
That actually sounds really helpful. So how do I get one?
It's easy. Just stop by Lee Myles Auto Care and Transmissions for your free courtesy check and check engine light scan. We'll check everything over and give you a clear picture of your vehicle's overall health. No pressure, no gimmicks, just peace of mind before winter hits.
That's awesome. I love that it's quick, free, and honest.
That's what we're all about. Because at Lee Myles, we don't just fix cars, we keep you confidently on the road.
Schedule your free courtesy check at Lee Myles Auto Care and Transmissions, proudly serving Berks County in Reading, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, and Wyomissing. Bye.